Today, the cryptocurrency market continues to develop actively, providing users with numerous opportunities for trading and investing. However, not all traders are ready to go through the identity verification procedure, especially those who value privacy and anonymity. In this video, we will review 3 leading exchanges that allow trading without the need for KYC. Each of them offers a unique approach, a variety of useful tools, and a high degree of convenience. Links for registration and promo codes to receive bonuses are already waiting for you in the video description. Join us and let's get started. Blofin is a versatile platform aimed at simplifying trading for all types of users. With support for more than 500 digital assets, this exchange is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. Blofin does not have a mandatory KYC procedure, allowing you to get started quickly, without lengthy checks. The platform offers a unique combination of advanced features and low fees. For example, its interface is intuitive, and the available charts and analysis tools enable more informed decisions. Registration on Blofin is quick and straightforward. Just provide an email address or phone number. Verification (KYC) is not mandatory, allowing users to start trading immediately after creating an account. Additionally, Blofin offers welcome bonuses to new users. By completing tasks on the platform, you can earn USDT, making the start on the exchange even more profitable. One of Blofin's key features is copy trading, a system where beginners can copy the trades of professionals. This is an excellent way to learn the market, without deep knowledge. Additionally, users can try their hand at demo trading, which allows testing strategies, without the risk of loss. The staking and passive asset earning features provide users with even more opportunities to increase income. Blofin's security and reliability deserve special attention. The exchange offers round-the-clock support and many educational materials, including video tutorials and webinars. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to confidently start their journey in the cryptocurrency world. The platform is actively expanding its capabilities. For example, recently new types of trading orders and automation tools were introduced. These additions allow traders to save time and optimize their strategies. Blofin also supports integration with other popular services, making it a convenient tool for those who work on multiple platforms simultaneously. Such possibilities increase the flexibility and versatility of the platform. Additionally, Blofin organizes regular contests and events for its users, adding a competitive element and stimulating interest. I want to recommend our Telegram channel to you. There you will find the latest news from the cryptocurrency world. We host experts who provide trading advice. We also have a trading chat where each team member shares their successes and signals. So, if you are looking for a reliable community for trading support, join us on Telegram. The link is in the description. If you are looking for a platform with maximum flexibility and a wide range of tools, WEEX is what you need. This exchange is perfect for users who want to combine anonymity with a professional level of service. One of WEEX's main advantages is the absence of mandatory KYC. Users can trade and withdraw funds without the need to verify their identity. For those who want more, the platform provides leverage up to 200, which is particularly attractive for experienced traders ready for high-risk strategies. Registration on WEEX is simple and takes just a few minutes. You only need to provide an email address or phone number. By using the referral code, you can receive a bonus of up to 20,000 USDT. The link is already in the description. WEEX supports more than 630 spot pairs and 478 futures pairs, and fees remain among the lowest in the market. A unique feature is WeLaunch, which allows WXT token holders to receive weekly airdrops and participate in exclusive promotions. This stimulates user activity and strengthens their loyalty. The platform also stands out for its thoughtful approach to risk management. WEEX provides flexible order settings and tools for minimizing losses. For example, users can set stop loss and take profit levels for automatic position closure when certain conditions are met. The demo mode allows testing trading strategies before engaging in real trades. One of WEEX's features is its mobile application. It has the full functionality of the desktop version and allows you to perform all operations, including copy trading, on the go. This makes WEEX an ideal platform for traders who value mobility and convenience. The exchange is actively working on expanding its educational resources. Analytical reviews and recommendations are regularly published on the platform, helping users better understand the market. Such materials make WEEX attractive not only for professionals but also for beginners. Moreover, WEEX conducts contests that allow users to test their skills and win prizes, adding a game element to the trading process. MEXC is a true giant in the world of cryptocurrency exchanges. If you're looking for maximum asset selection and advanced features, this platform will be the perfect choice. Over 1,500 trading pairs, including rare altcoins, make MEXC one of the most versatile exchanges in the market. MEXC is known for its scale and ability to operate without KYC verification. This allows users to start trading quickly while maintaining their privacy. The exchange offers a wide range of tools, such as leveraged ETFs, staking, and unique programs like M-Day and Kickstarter. These features make trading not only profitable, but also exciting. Registration on MEXC is quick and straightforward. Just provide an email address or phone number. Additionally, by registering with our referral code, you can receive a bonus of up to 8,000 USDT. The link can be found in the description. Multi-currency P2P trading on MEXC is another unique feature. It allows users to easily exchange fiat money for cryptocurrency with minimal costs. Participants in such transactions can choose convenient payment methods and quickly complete transactions, making the platform suitable for users from different countries. Copy trading on MEXC provides users with the opportunity to learn from professionals. The system allows you to analyze the statistics of successful traders, select those whose strategies are most attractive, and automatically copy their trades. This is an excellent way for beginners to quickly understand the essence of the market. MEXC's educational resources are one of the platform's strong points. The exchange offers an extensive catalog of materials, from platform operation guides to market analytics. Regular webinars and master classes help users improve their skills and learn about new trends in the cryptocurrency world. The platform is actively implementing new technologies to enhance convenience. For example, MEXC recently introduced a market analysis tool that uses artificial intelligence elements. This allows traders to quickly find profitable deals and improve their results. Users can also participate in exclusive trading competitions held on the platform, competing for prizes and showcasing their skills. We have reviewed 3 platforms that differently approach their users' needs. Each of these exchanges offers unique opportunities for trading without KYC. Your choice will depend on your needs and level of experience. Whether you are a novice trader or an experienced investor, one of these platforms is sure to become your reliable tool on the path to success in the world of cryptocurrencies. Links for registration and promo codes for bonuses are already waiting for you in the video description. Thank you for watching, good luck with your trading, and see you in the next videos.